Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on gold. But before I go ahead, I want you guys to actually join our membership community, which we are currently hosting on this our YouTube platform. What you just have to do is go to the community membership. You will sit at the top on YouTube. I'll be giving you guys in-depth breakdown on gold weekly, and I will also be giving you guys the potential movement on what you should be expecting on gold. So if you trade gold right and you would want to learn how to trade it properly and professionally, join the membership which I've actually opened the top on the YouTube channel. So once you join, you'll get more updates and in-depth breakdown on gold. Now let's see what we'll be expecting on gold. Back we will be expecting another bullish move. Reason is that we are currently in an uncertain period. If you know that this is on the sentimental aspect, you should be expecting gold to go bullish. Reason is that due to this crypto crash, the stock market crash. So gold is literally a safe haven asset during uncertainty period. So because of that, you should be expecting some bullish move. That is what you should be expecting. But if you want in-depth breakdown on gold and why you should be expecting a certain move, then join the YouTube membership to get more. So with this what I'm saying, you should see it's come to tap a level of 40.59. If it taps a level of 40.59, I'll give you guys an update in the YouTube membership.